states this theorem in words. The theorem states is that in any triangle, the area is half the product of any two sides multiplied by sine of the angle between those two sides. Angle between the two sides. Okay, so the reason why I like to state rules and theorems in words is because when you understand the theorem to a point whereby you can convert it from a mathematical equation to basic English, or to a point whereby you can verbally articulate the theorem in English or in words, then you can take that very same theorem and apply it to any diagram, okay, compared to just knowing the theorem mathematically and cramming the theorem, so to speak. Because now, if you are faced with a different situation, or you are faced with a diagram that is not similar to the one that you are used to, then all of a sudden, whatever that you understand mathematically, or whatever that you have crammed mathematically, then it will be difficult for you to apply that in that different scenario. Okay, so that is why I always advise that we know the theorem in words first, and then from there we can take whatever that we know in words and apply it to any given situation, and in that way we can be able to establish a relationship between the mathematical equations and the English that we are dealing with. Okay, so this is the area rule in words.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next